All of you please clap your hand. And second, again, Sergio and DP from class 10. Lucy, they're on B. You come in front and receive your third prize. Collecting the sweets goes. First prize goes to Serdalin, they're on B. Divya Basmantari. Divya come in front. Third, Bijali Basmantari. Then collecting the sweets, boys. Ransamon Day. Who is Ransamon Day? Gold. Third, Maroon Gold. Then Maroon and say you can front. Long jump forward. Come in front. Ostina Therapy, second. Now class Junior. First prize goes to Sarhon Ramfar. Second goes to Prakash Basantari. One big one. First prize goes to Tulsi Trampi. Joya Gopi second. Third goes to Willibon Trampi. Willibon Trampi.
Karanpi, not Teranpi, sir.
Senior boys long jump is combined of previous year class 10 students. Second goes to Mukran Bay. Mukran Bay, you come in front and receive the second prize. Third goes to Biman Basmantari. They have defeated our present class 10 students today. Fourth, Tago again. It's the first prize for Tag of War. Second goes to Yellow Fruit. They have received second in Tag of War. Wow, very sweet. Okay, focus. Two, Maning Tiranpi. Maning Bijli Basmantari. Coming the city, first prize goes to Divya Basmantari. This has mother, but she is receiving first prize. But no, Neha Dor. For boys, first goes to Clarin Tiron. Is it Jumadin Rohan? Second, Vikas Brahma. Again, Jumadin. Ostina Therapy. Tanya Basmantari spoon race. Then for boys, spoon race. First prize goes to Dhritiraj Basmantari. Dhritiraj Basmantari got first prize in spoon race. Then second, Sharmon Inti. Sharmon, we can say Inti his prize inside Sharmon. Third goes to Rajesh Das. Rajesh Das. Govinda City. First goes to Monjita Basmantari. Monjita Basmantari. Third, Sertalin Tisopi. Sertalin Tisopi. Sertalin Tisopi. UKG boys bombing the city. Samar Sahu. Chipao Timung. Second goes to Sertalin Tisopi. Goes to Monjita Basmantari. Monjita in the sweets. First goes to Klimso Hanse. Chipao Timung. Chipao Timung. Third, Thomas Basmantari. Thomas Basmantari. LKG boys collecting the sweets. Rajesh Das, second goes to Nayan Basmantari. Nayan Basmantari. Third, Meher Basmantari. Meher Basmantari. Second, Erholin Rapi. The second, yellow group. Members broken. Only one Rapi. Third, prize goes to Mita. Oh, you see, 400 meter race. as well. Third victory. Now I call upon you. Second prize. Third. The second goes to Dan Kopi. Now I call upon class 1 to 3. Second. And he got first prize in gold prize. Second board. You can front. Girls. First prize goes to Tania Busantari. Second goes to Jiret Sepi. Jiret Sepi. And for senior boys slow cycle race. Riding cycle, I think. That's why every day coming late in class. He is very expert in riding slow cycle. Second, alone in team. His third goes to Dimang Mutari.
Video ya. Peneng final pakai tulang tulang kita main kan? Iya ya. Ya. Itu lah ini. Cluster nanti belajar bermacam-macam. Ini sambil atau mat.